the Aam Aadmi Party, will it have an impact in the Haryana polls? BJP will benefit 45%, no impact on Congress 34%, can't say 21%. But the fact that if they go together, will be a big one to watch out for, but because alliance to hai, lekin this morning Delhi Congress has taken away an MLA of the Aam Aadmi Party. तो ये alliance में कितनी competition internally है, we'll have to wait and watch for that. And let me now project the numbers coming up on your screen. Predictions as of now, this is pre-Vinesh Fogart, pre-momentum, and let's look at the numbers. In Haryana, it is the Congress that has an edge, 36 to 41 seats in a 90-seat assembly, 33 to 38 to the BJP plus alliance partners, JJP anywhere between 2 and 5, others between 6 and 11. It's a hung house with advantage to the Congress party, and here comes in my friend Prateek Som. I want to ask you, Prateek Som, बिजनेस शुरू, लाइनें चल रही हैं टेलीफोन की, फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच हो गई है?
See, there is nothing sort of this happening. We are contesting this elections independently like the way we did in 2019. But coming to the survey and telling you about both of the national parties who are trying to gain ground in Haryana, see, BJP is clearly doing a snow job. They are deviant and far from ground. They have given the most unpopular CM for almost 9.5 years, and of course the consequences will follow. They also know it. Yesterday only their Pradesh Adhyaksh of OBC Morcha has said that CM Nayab Singh Saini is a dummy CM. जब उनकी कोई पूछ ही नहीं है तो वो किस लिए कॉल कर रहे हैं? This kind of revolt is happening, and they know that how the tickets are being distributed, and it's a talk of town, it's talk of whole state, that what kind of protest is brewing in Haryana in terms of BJP. Now coming to Congress, see, they are still, they are avoiding the Dalit and women representation in our state. Let me tell you, Navika, Haryana has almost 20% Dalit population, but still they are shying away from bringing Kumari Shailja to the main ground, when especially she has won with almost 3.5 lakh margin in the recent Lok Sabha election, because they know that what will happen if they don't promote their son and Damad. Damad story everybody knows. In Haryana it is famous. Congress is known because they own the farmer's soil. They are also harvesting even on it because of the rule, because of the CLU industry which they created during Bhupendra Huda's rule. Everybody knows that. हर बच्चे को ये कहानी के बारे में पता है. So far as we are concerned, we are holding our ground. We are.
आप हो किस तरफ? BJP
We are
की तरफ,
nowhere.
कांग्रेस.
No.
You have to choose.
No.
You have to choose, भैया. Let's cut through the chase. जाना कहाँ है?
No, the media will not.
रास्ता इस तरफ है और रास्ता इस तरफ है. दोनों में से एक choose करना पड़ेगा. Are you going left or right?
Media will not dictate us where we'll go.
I'm not dictating. I'm asking you a question.
Navika, we are holding our ground.
I would be dictating if I'm telling you which way to go. I'm asking you, आप कहाँ जाएंगे?
See, the people of Haryana will again show the faith in us, and especially Chandrasekhar Azad, who has joined hands with us. We are very confident that in Haryana we will come in power with majority, and the national parties will have to see where they'll come. I know Sanjay Jha is laughing, and you will not believe it, but I can show you. I can show you.
If you fall short of a few numbers, दिलवाले यही वाली दुल्हनियां ले जाएंगे.
The 2019
दिलवालों को यही दुल्हनियां ले जानी पड़ेगी.
2019 election survey, you gave us 1 seat. Anil Jain, Prabhari of Haryana BJP at that time, said they are nobody but a bunch of boys. We got 17.5% votes in Haryana. Again, the history will get repeated, and we are of course we are gaining ground. And Dushyant Chautala ji has openly said that it is the biggest mistake which he committed by going with BJP. We are not shying away from accepting our mistakes.